Now, as far as the Congress party strategy is concerned, let's put that out. What is now being said that the Congress MPs would be meeting at around 10:15 a.m. to decide about a unique way to protest outside the parliament at the CPP office. We have seen, as far as when it comes to the Adani issue, that the Congress party has on its own been raising for the last several days that no business in the House that has been convened. And in a unique way, it seems that the Congress party has been conducting these protests. So this time, we've already seen when it comes to the merchandise, there has been a play or a skit that has been put. There are face masks that have also been used by the Congress MPs, and like puppet mask as well, which portrays the businessmen and the Prime Minister, have also been done. So as far as these merchandise protests are concerned on the Congress party, they have been doing it time and again, with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also leading the protests outside the parliament. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, are we expecting another new unique way that the Congress party continues with its protest? Of course, wanting the Adani issue to remain the topmost issue to be discussed and debated in the House. However, we have seen that no actual business in the House that has been taking place ever since the onset of the winter session of Parliament.
Well, that's right. Till the end of the winter session, the Congress party is expected to carry out their agitation against the central government. As far as the Adani controversy is concerned, every single day the Congress party is finding a new, unique way to carry out the protest. We had seen that on the first day they have worn printed T-shirts. On the second day they have worn a face mask of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mr. Gautam Adani. On the third day, in fact, they carry out printed bags of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Gautam Adani. So the Congress till the end of the winter session would continue to raise their voices against the Adani controversy inside and outside the parliament as well. Because we had seen in the first week of the parliament, which was completely washed out, we had seen that time and again several adjournment motions were given to both the chairman of Rajya Sabha as well as the speaker of Lok Sabha. But in the second week, the Congress party decided that they would continue their agitation outside the parliament because of certain dissatisfaction coming in from the other partners of the alliance, who said that one specific issue cannot completely pressurize the House functions, and that is the reason why the Congress party decided that under the leadership of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, it would continue its agitation outside the parliament in front of the Makkar Dwar. So clearly the war of words between the centre and the opposition would continue to raise, and today also it is very much unlikely that the House will function smoothly.
Well, remains to be seen exactly what happens now, because we have to talk about the numbers in this game is concerned. Let's put that out, especially for our viewers, to see what this motion is all about, because this motion would be the first of its kind in the Rajya Sabha, which requires a 14-day notice period and approval from the deputy chairman before it can be even considered. So let's talk about the numbers here in the case that is now concerned. As far as when it comes to the strength of the Lok Sabha having 543 members, even a simple majority that is required in both houses of the parliament to remove the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And here, when it comes to the ruling party, which has a total of 293 MPs, and what we are looking at, meanwhile, when it comes to the opposition, having only 249 MPs, which is about 23 less than the majority figure mark of 272. The ND Alliance, which has currently an absolute majority in the Rajya Sabha as well. So these are the Rajya Sabha numbers that we are showing to our viewers. Now, while it seems that the opposition close to the figure of the 100 mark, however, when it comes to the majority mark in the upper house, which is at 123, here also when it comes to the NDA enjoying as far as when it comes to the support is concerned. So they don't have a time for a mandatory 14-day notice period as it is stated under Article 67B. But since the winter session ends in the next 10 days, incidentally there has been no precedence as well, viewers, that has been seen in the last 72 years, and no trust motion that has been moved against any Rajya Sabha chairman in the history. So all of these reasons that are now being cited. However, there have been 3 examples that can be given of a similar notice against the Lok Sabha speakers, and all of them that were previously defeated when it comes to the years of 1951, in 1966 and in the year 1987 as well. But what exactly is the issue? And when it comes to the message that the opposition party is trying to give out here with 60 signatures, why is the opposition gunning for the Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar? Because here, when it comes to Jagdeep Dhankar, just a week ago was the poster boy of the opposition parties, because he was calling out and taking on the government when it comes to the issue of Kisan protest or the farmer protest. But today, the opposition wants the same man to be impeached, to be removed. What exactly is the agenda? Why is the Congress party raising the request? And why is the Congress probably upset with Jagdeep Dhankar? Listen in.
You should replace, 1 second, Jairam Ramesh, you are so intelligent, so gifted, so talented, you should immediately come and take seat in place of Mr. Khadge. Because by and large you are doing his job.
सर मेरा टाइम का ध्यान रखें.
A wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
जो मेंबर इस हाउस में प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो ऐसे उठाना ये गलत है और किसी के इमेज को डैमेज करना
नहीं, कौन सा मेंबर? विच मेंबर?
नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने बोला है तो इसका अर्थ होता है कि उन्होंने स्वतः स्वीकार किया है कि जो सदन के अनुपस्थित सदस्य उनमें से कोई है.